Yeah, so when I'm putting my finger through.
Doctors in Training is a little bit of an overview about the human body.
Now we're going to talk about the forearm bones. And if you remember what I'm about to tell you, you're never going to get it wrong.
We do a bunch of fun projects and so many other activities and games.
We get to do dissections. We learn how to do CPR.
We put balloons with straws in a big soda bottle, which acted as the diaphragm. That was really cool.
I liked science, but I was never that interested in robotics and stuff like that. And so when I saw something that looked kind of interesting to me, I tried it and I found a new passion.
I chose this workshop because I want to grow up and be a doctor.
I want to be an orthopedic surgeon.
I want to be either a pediatrician or an OBGYN when I grow up, so I feel like Doctors in Training was a good start for me.
It's just been a passion that I want to help other people and make the world a better place. Our final project in Doctors in Training is making a music video about how to diagnose a patient.
So based off of what they've learned, they have to kind of gather a bunch of different information from different systems.
And then we apply them by using practice patients that they give us, so they'll have a chief complaint, and then we diagnose and treat the patient based on that complaint.
OPQRSD, it's something that doctors use to diagnose a patient and test their vitals and help them ask questions and find out more about the patient.
I absolutely plan on coming back to camp next year.
Definitely, I'll be coming back again next year, and for as long as I can come back, probably come back to work here too.
Definitely can't wait to see you guys next summer, and I hope that we'll be able to bring everything back and apply more to what we've already learned.